Welcome to Little Poppins home garden.
Growing is fun.
Today we're going to do some experiment. Step 1. Make greenhouse. You can download the description below.
Okay, now let's put a bee. Come here. You know what this is called? What is it called? It's greenhouse. Greenhouse is a house where you grow plants. You have made a bean greenhouse. Your own greenhouse. Very nice color. Seed to plant life cycle starts from seed, then it germinates and finally it sprouts.
We also saw how to grow avocado from its seed and pineapple from its leaves. We also made spinning dandelion craft in the library.
Using this template. Oh, these are the red cherry radish. Nice. You grew a cherry radish too now. That's good.
Jack and the Beanstalk greenhouse! Look at us!
And this is the day 1, 9th of April. And there are also some instructions. It says, keep the seeds warm as they germinate, and it should germinate in 3 to 5 days. And after 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks, it is sprouted, so you can move it into a soil and a pot, and it will grow into a beanstalk. And then fee, fi, fo, you'll have a giant giant whom you can visit. Will you climb the beanstalk? Never? Okay, so this is what Devansh did at library and this is Simran's. So let's have a time lapse and see how it grows. 3, 2, 1. This is one of the germination experiments that Simran did. They planted beans, sprouted beans. And this has been for nearly 3 to 4 days. Look at this. So leaves are falling and also the leaves are starting to appear. This is the greenhouse of the beans. Okay, we'll have this planted. Let's go ahead and plant these in the soil. Be careful not to hurt any roots. here is the radish plant that we sowed in the library. The seed to plant, Exploraory. We will have this soon potted in a
And now the
larger pot.
will come and the plants in the library will take.
That is cherry radish. It's grown so big. Look. And now it's ready to be replanted in a bigger pot. So Simran's gonna help me do gardening. Here I have some pots and some potting soil.
And my dad just got a big pot.
Yeah. So we're gonna replant these cherry radish into bigger pots.
Put coconut chips and put it in my toilet water.
Put coconut chips so that the soil doesn't leak and it drains well. Okay, then we put soil about halfway through, and look at all the roots that's grown out of this plant.
Yeah, and I've got some water so we just mix it up. So let's start it up.
So let's put a little more soil here. We are using this potting soil, regular potting soil. Cover the rest with potting soil again. So we have just put all the sprouted plants separated into a bigger pot. Like and now we're going to water it. So let's fill our watering can and we have watered our pot well. Cherry radish is all ready. Now we have to just take care that no slugs eat them. Simran has watered it well. Thank you, Simran. Simran loves to water. And it's already the third week. Look at this, how it's grown. The baby radish that we had planted. Can you see the radish there? Right there. Wow, it looks awesome. And the craft you guys did was paper dandelions. And 3, 2, 1, throw it. Ooh, so cool. Did you have fun?
Yeah! Hey kids, look, those beans growing, it's a success.
It's been 1 month and our plant, the beanstalk that we planted, has a little tiny bean right here. Can you see? Yeah, and there'll be more beans coming soon.
Like this one up here.
Yeah, but unlike the Jack's beanstalk, ours didn't grow into a magic beanstalk because it's not a magic bean. It's a simple eating bean. But do read the story. So Jack and the beanstalk to meet the giant who says
3, 5, 4, 5.
yeah. Please subscribe and leave us a comment if you like our home garden series. We'll have more home garden videos coming soon. Keep watching.
This one does win one.
What do you know what we are going to show next? Lemon seed, lemon plant.
Watching a home garden.
To learn how to grow a lemon tree.
Learn how to grow a lemon tree.
From a lemon seed.
From a lemon seed.
And is lemon your favorite fruit?
Yeah!
Yeah.
I really like lemon juice.
Yeah.
It's very good for your health.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lima bean.
And was it fun? Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.